In today's generation, people, they do say that I don't have time for this. I don't have time for that. I don't have time to meet to people. I don't have time to do a lot of social service. I don't have time to talk to people. Even I don't have that much of time that I can study certain things. I don't have even that much of time that I can see a video of certain meaningful content. Many people, they do feel the time is very limited to them, and in this growing age, in this growing pace, they have to run, and they have to run. Do you feel that you are advanced, and do you feel that you are modernized? From my point of view, where I view this youth generation, I do say they are not at all having even the culture, even the sense of understanding, the relationship, or the meaningful things that what they need to do and how they need to deliver that thing, and how they need to deliver the same. This present youth generation, they do say time is very limited, whereas in olden time people used to have a good time to talk to others. They do share their emotions, thoughts, feelings, sentiments, and their expression to everyone. And there was a beautiful bond of relationship with each and every family. With each and every family. But today, people do say, I don't have that much of time. I'm so busy with my works that I cannot get myself free out of that one. Even I do say that. I don't say that I'm a person who is having so much of virtues, having so much of values, and having so much of culture. Even I'm a victim of that. In today's generation, I do feel that people say, I don't have much time to do all this. I want the things to be done within a short period of time. But anything, do remember, within this short period of time what you want to do, and within this short period of time what you want to achieve is not going to be achieved within that period of time. For everything you have to dedicate your time. For everything that you have to make some efforts. To create any relationship, it needs a time to be spent with that particular people. To build up a career, it requires that much of time and that much of attention to be given to that one specifically. If you want to grow up in your life as well, you need to dedicate certain time for that one. If you want to learn certain things, you need to give that much of time for it. People say, I don't have time to read the books, so I see the videos. And while seeing the videos, people say, I don't have that much of time to spend to a video wherein a speaker is speaking so slow that I don't have that much of time to listen to his statements, to his words, to his learnings, to his teachings. People say, let the things go very fast forward. The time will come, my dear all, running out of this fast forward nature, you will forget about who you are, what you need to do, and what things are going to be developed within you. So I request to every one of you, those who are listening to me at the present context, at this present moment, try to understand the value of time. I understand that time and tide waits for none, and youth, once gone, will never return. The things that you are doing it, do understand that tomorrow, whenever your offsprings are coming, they will repeat the same statements that you are telling to them. They are just going to follow you, and they are just going to spoil themselves. Understand the value of relationship. Understand the value of time. Don't say, I have no time. Don't say, I'm too busy. Don't say, I'm like this, I'm like that, my family is there, my responsibilities are there. I don't want to spoil the relationship, but what I can do, my responsibilities are killing me. My duties are killing me. My family, my work, everywhere I do have a pressure. Apart from that one, come closer, talk to people, meet with them. What is there in this life except a good relationship? If you have understood the value of my words, definitely say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That's the reason now it has been said in Sanskrit, Ayam Nijaha Paroveti Ganana Laghu Chetasam Udara Charitanam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It's mine, it's yours. What is there in that? The whole world is yours, the whole universe is yours. Everyone is a single family. Now you don't say the statement that this is mine, that is yours. I have authority on this, you don't have authority on that. Have a good time, spend with your close ones, respect your elders, care for your youngers. This is life. One life, one chance, one take, one opportunity. You won't get this life anytime back. Who knows what you're going to take birth in the next life? Are you going to take the life of a human, or are you going to take the life of an insect or an animal or a tree or a plant? Why to worry? Why to worry? Why to worry? Choice is yours. Life is yours. Decision is completely yours to be taken. Soch, vichar, chayan, nirnay और जीवन केवल और केवल आप ही का है. Thank you for listening to my voice.